when they said not to
Hello,
attack.
magandang hapon po.
He was referring to the sickly feelings he was
Nandito
developing
po
for a
ako
girl
ngayon
who
sa
lived across the
restaurant
street
ng
You know how
Ninang
I've never told
Ninang
you
Restaurant. Kasi po, birthday ng apo ko, pang 10th birthday niya. Kaya nandito po kami, pamilya ko. Dito kami, namin isi-celebrate yung 10th birthday ng apo. Maganda mga pagkain din dito, nakakain. Pag ilang balik, pang-apat na balik ko na ito dito.
He turned to her and she smiled her consent. Mma walked up to Tessie, who was standing still and watching, or observing like
Kasi
Tessie
wala pang ganong tao mamaya itong gabi pa magkaroon ng tao. Kaya nauna kami dito. Maganda pag wala pang ganong tao. Ayan ang apo ko. Siya yung mag-celebrate ng 10th birthday today. June 3. Yun naman yung isa kong apo na makulit-lit. Ayun, takbo. Sundan-sundan yun.
Amazing? What's amazing?
Yung aming parking area. Andun sila kasi nag-order pa sila ng pagkain. Yung mga kasama ko nag-order pa ng pagkain, kaya ako naiwan sa lamisa kasi may mga ano pa kami dito. May cake kasi kami dito. Yan yung cake niya. Kaya dito lang ako sa lamisa. Sila nag-order ng pagkain. Masarap daw mag-birthday pag may paisip, pampahaba ng birthday. Ayun yung tatlo. Yung tatlo naglalakad.
Helen missed the step just as Star and Chuck She found herself.
Ano in-order nyo?
Hindi ko alam.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Pansit, saka
Gulay.
tuna. Saka
She was dancing with Chuck.
Yun lang.
barbecue.
Barbecue rin daw.
I wish we could stay here forever. Just the two of us with the healing potion.
Ganda niya ka nga.
Ano
Ganda.
kanya?
And smiling
Asus!
and
Like
facing
you're hearing it.
bright sun.
Ganda.
She kissed him on her shoulder.
Beautiful lakang.
He was surprised. He didn't show it. He only hugged her tightly. Switch partners,
Oh.
she had Chuck say, and Helen was startled out of her daydream as she looked up at Dave. But he was smiling as he took Star's hands and delivered her to the woman
Nilabahan mo na ba yan?
who destroyed her.
Ha?
And
Nilabahan mo na yan?
Hindi, mabaho pa rin. Mabaho. Mabaho nga.
Helen placed at him. Somehow she knew he had one up his sleeves and that she was not going to like it. But then, he whispered in his husky voice, and she found herself falling more into him. Not with all this people meaning about, he whispered.
Kawai,
It
kawai.
doesn't
Magandang
matter.
hapon.
Whatever you have in mind, take to accomplish. I have sworn that nothing like
Lawak
what
ng pwesto nila
before
dito.
will happen again. He laughed. Be careful of what you wish for, darling. I might decide to help your vow along, and that would be the happiest woman on earth.
Ayun yung orderan.
You would end up most bitter in death from having to wonder for the rest of your life
Sobrang dami ng
what
sugar.
it would have been like.
Masyado
Feeling
magkakagat
frustrated, she stepped on his toe and he jumped. She smiled. Be careful of what you're playing at. You really need those toes to be sexy. You. She stepped out of his hands and promised to start.
Ayan ang mag-birthday. Oh. Happy birthday to you.
Just one
Happy birthday to you.
smiling like a winner.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
How yes.
Maligaya bati.
The party is just getting started. I don't want to be getting back late to my friend's house. He's married.
Maligaya.
The cake. I
Maligaya
think I should
ang
get next
bati.
to now my family starts to know.
Kanta, kanta.
We just
Kanta
started
na.
enjoying yourself.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya.
She
Happy
smiled.
birthday, happy birthday, happy
Your
birthday,
exceptional,
Kuya.
He smiled and he stopped dancing. No